we're out back here now, heading towards home, but I'm about 28 miles from home. I was out here talking with you and I totally headed in the wrong direction, and we ended up getting rained on, and I hope the audio is still working so people can hear me. Otherwise it was get wet and no footage kind of day, but that's the way it goes. So let's cruise down these little back roads here, and yeah, we'll see where this goes. Definitely these are roads now I never have been down. You always got to watch for animals and things on these ones, and people coming out of their driveways. God, it's been so windy out here this week, especially Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I haven't gotten a chance to go out and fly the drone, take any shots or anything like that. It seems like when there's no storm clouds, it's really, really windy. And I have this one bridge over here in Beaver, Pittsburgh, or Beaver, Pennsylvania, that I want to go and try to get some pictures of. I checked, it's a safe to fly zone and everything there, and I really want to go and get some pictures of that. So next very near future here, that's one of the places I'm going to go. So hopefully we get some pictures of that and I can bring back for you. Proudly produced in America. There we go. Boy, you sure do see a lot of that, the American sentiment when you're out riding around here. Everywhere I go, American flags, Trump fence signs. I don't see very many Biden signs. I think I've seen 2 in all of my travels, and I cover all of eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania and into West Virginia there. I've only seen 2 Biden signs that I'm aware of. Oh, here we go. We got some other people out riding bike. And they go right in front of you like that. No helmets, no nothing, but oh well, they're having fun. Boy, I sure hope the audio on this video is coming out better, because that sure was a bummer. My last video there, to go through all that for that Saddle Sore 1000, and then to come back in and find out the video or the audio was not that good. That really a downer, because that was a lot of work, but it turned out good enough. I did get the paperwork for the Saddle Sore 1000. I got that all turned in, and it's going in the mail tomorrow. I put it all together. I believe that all the documentation and maps and everything they asked for, I believe I did all that correct. So I should have no problem. But they say it takes about 3 months for it to get certified and through. So yeah. My next big ride is going to be, I'm thinking in August here, for Sturgis. And if my brother's going out there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride from here, and I'll ride like 1,000 miles and get over somewhere over into central or central western Minnesota there, and meet up with my brother, and then spend the next day riding all the way out to Sturgis. And that way I can probably get one of those 1,500 mile in 30-hour ones too. And I don't know why. It's one of the things that maybe go after and try to do. Why not? It's there. If you can do it, right? Still have no real idea where I'm at. Yeah, we'll just see here. Looks like the rain's over that way, but you still see it ahead of us here. So we'll see. We'll see where it ends up going. I never mind getting wet when I'm out close to my home here like this. And I got my rain gear and everything with me, but if you're only going to get a little bit wet, and if you can get home and go from there. There we go. See? They got Trump on their hay bales and everything. I don't believe those polls. I don't believe what they're putting in the news. I just, from what I see out here, the central part part of the United States. You know, what they're talking about on those polls and this Biden being ahead. I don't know. All I see out here is a bunch of people that don't say much, but they're out buying guns and ammunition. And it seems like everybody's getting ready for something big. So we'll see. Oh, I got that red barn over there. Red barn. One of these days, I think I'm going to come out, maybe it was the first time when I come back here, if I don't have Dexter here. I'll just run around and take some different pictures of some of these barns and these farm places that are out here, because there sure are a lot of very interesting ones. You know, some of the real older ones, and you can see the vines growing up in through them, and you know, they're just very, very interesting looking. So I'll have to think about that. See if I can do that.